Hi everyone,
Hey
welcome to
Diana.
Bit Vibes. It's today's a special stream, a third day of celebrating the BitCLout node launch. Super excited. Thank you, Nick, for joining. Also, Alisher will be joining on the third screen in a little bit. Um, Today's stream is a celebration of our baby. Nick's and Alisher's translation of the entire node into Russian, and now it's available on rucloud.ru for Russian speakers. And I will give a little bit of a summary in Russian. Всем привет! Меня зовут Диана, мы на BitVibes, и сегодня в честь того, что мы запустили с ребятами, ребята запустили, а я саппортила вовсю и кидала в них деньги, запустили русскую ноду на BitClout, и теперь вы можете пользоваться всеми знакомыми фичами в русском варианте. И сегодня мы встретились, чтобы обсудить, как это случилось, что будет дальше, и Алишер присоединится к нам через мгновение. Ник, тебе слово. And we're gonna continue speaking in English because we want everyone to understand what's happening. And if you guys want to know what we're talking about, the translation will be available in a couple of days. So now, Nick, please, the
Yeah.
mic is yours.
Hey Diana. Привет.
Привет, привет.
BitClout and BitVibes people. Thank you for inviting me and Alisher. So we're excited to launch the first, I believe it's first local translated node on BitClout.
Possibly.
Maybe not,
Possibly. I
but
heard there's
I
Spanish
have not
version.
heard. Yeah, but I've never seen anything from besides BitCLout.com, so maybe it's the first one. I don't know. Yes, but I heard that Spanish one is building, but we've made the first, at least first Russian speaking node. So
Fantastic. So how did you guys come up with it, and what was the need? How did you tell the story, the beginning at least, and Alisher can join and tell the rest, the finishing thing.
Yeah, I believe it was right after Diamond Hands published some information about, hey, you can run your own node and you can run your local language node. And I think maybe Dworkin was a person that told me, hey, let's make Russian speaking node. Or maybe he was offering to launch some other maybe Brazilian node or something like that. And I said, oh yes, and never done anything because we were doing a lot of other things, other stuff. And but then someday I decided, yes, I should tell Alisher to do it. And when I told Alisher, he was excited and he said, yes, let's do it. And we started to do it. And Alisher made a lot of job to translate it.
A huge work that
Yes.
was to translate it. He was gone for a week. I haven't seen him. He was just in translation, deep diving. I was actually on that day when you called and offered a Russian node, and our both eyes lit up because we remembered. It took us back to the days when social media was not Facebook and Instagram, when it was Kontakte, when it was One LV. I'm from Latvia, so that was the first like OG social medias where you can gift each other gifts, and also there were diamonds, so you could give diamonds, you can give flowers, you can like other people's stuff. So it took me right back, and Alisher was also involved back in the day in developing those services. So eyes lit, and we were super excited to to go there. So I was supporting with food and snacks. He was the one translating. So
Yeah, thank you for the support. Thanks for everyone who supported us early. So 2 days ago when we launched. our first hodlers.
Hmm.
Thanks to all of you, and thanks for everyone who recloud our news and so on.
Yeah, Krasenstein brothers did the part in their daily vlog about you guys, which was super cool. I feel the love from the
Yes, thanks to
in the
them too.
community.
Yeah.
Thanks, guys. So Nick, before Alisher joins the stream with his beautiful beard and stuff, tell us a little bit about yourself. What are you up to on BitCLout? What are the projects you've been involved in, and what is your vision for entire thing of BitCLout?
Yeah, I'm on BitClout more than 100 days. I believe 5 or 6 days ago it was like 100 days.
Yeah.
And
Congratulations, OG
yeah,
BitCLout.
yeah, thanks. And Alisher was the first person who told me about BitClout. And first days were like we've launched our Russian speaking clubhouse room,
Yeah.
and we're telling people first we were asking people what is that, what is BitClout
Mm-hmm.
is, and we were just discussing it 24/7 for I think about 3 days or so with
Crazy days.
Yelena
Oh, I remember
NYC.
the days.
She
Yes.
was yes, she wasn't sleeping. We were doing it, and
You were doing full
after,
time onboarding support for the Russian
yeah, yeah,
community,
yeah,
just how to get on, how to set up your FRPs, sending money to people. I remember the day it was hectic. Everyone wanted to know what's going on and everyone wanted in. It was insane. The hype was real. Can't wait for
yes,
another wave of hype like that.
true. And then mm, like on the I think on the second day on BitClout, we've launched our first BitClout project. It was just
Mm-hmm.
a exchange to help people to input money on BitClout or
Yeah.
outside of it. It was we've closed it in a week or so, because in fact it was more like a charity because it had no business model. It
Mm-hmm.
was like almost like gifting money to people,
Yeah. I know the
because
feeling. I was
yes,
also doing
so
that. Yeah.
yeah, everyone wants um, to get real money,
Yeah.
but less people were wanted to like
We're
put money on
willing to
BitClout.
invest. Yes,
So,
it was
so yeah, it
very
was
much gamble and exit.
yeah, yes. So there was no real business in it. But then we've started to, with working, we've started to make a lot of BitClout projects. The most successful one is still BitClout Express.
Mm-hmm.
It's a Telegram bot with alerts for those who are seeking where to invest.
Yeah, I can shout out to that bot. I used it from the day you guys were beta testing, even maybe alpha testing it. I even built my exchange on top of it, so I was getting the
Yeah,
notifications, and we were processing it in our team, trying to build our own bot to process it, but it was too difficult. But the bot is great. It does so many things. You can track people's activity. You can set up to follow any account. You can follow whales, what they buy and sell. You can follow your friends' accounts, see what they buy and sell, who sells them. There's so many ways to just follow, and it's super convenient because you can see it on your phone with the notifications. No need to go to a third-party service. So shout out to your bot.
right.
What's it called again?
Thanks. BitClout Express.
BitClout Express. Yeah, it's in
Yeah,
somewhere in top 10 on BitHunt.
maybe top 20 right now. I don't know. But, we will see.
Somewhere there.
Uh, yeah, and we launched a few other projects like JobCloud. It was like the first job board on BitClout. We've collected some profiles, some. We were looking for people to hire on BitClout for BitClout.
Mm-hmm.
And we've also launched Cloud Review to Hey Seva.
Hey,
We,
Seva.
we've launched Cloud Review, but it was Chrome extension. But when you use BitClout, it's
Mm-hmm.
about money, it's about cryptocurrency, and nobody trusts software like browser extensions. So it's a bit failed at the
Mm-hmm.
moment, but
Yeah.
we think it has a potential in future. So and many other projects like Hacknote with Alashare,
Mm-hmm.
Cloud apps with Alashare, which we have not yet launched, and but we still going to launch it.
So
So
I guess
yes, it's
those will be cool extensions for your new node now. So those will be
yeah,
features you
yeah,
can
yeah,
get on the new node, right?
true.
Cool.
I hope so. Yeah,
Awesome. I really hope that Alisher will join us today.
yeah, yeah.
Um,
What's up with him?
oh, he's calling right
He's
now.
trying
There we
to.
go.
Oh, cool.
Boom. So I will add him right now. Hi,
Hi.
Alisher.
Hi.
Hey,
Nice to have you
Yeah, welcome.
on our stream. Finally, you've been on the back of every stream, and now you're in the picture. Lovely to have you.
Cool. Yeah. I've just posted information about stream on Bitvibes, on BitCloud, made all reposts, put all links into all groups, and and here I am.
All
I
this
should
equals
recloud
backward.
it.
Oh,
Yes,
please.
please. Yes.
So more people can join us. So
Yeah.
if you guys are watching and wondering how to get into this stream today, you can join Clubhouse. We have a room there, and then we will open the stage to questions when the guys are done telling us their story of their Russian node on BitClout. So, Alisher, Nick already
Yep.
told his kind of story of how he joined BitClout and what is he up to on the platform. Probably
Yeah.
anyone who's watching the stream knows who you are and what you're up to. But in a few words, please share with us what are you up to these days, and what are your plans for the nearest future.
So yeah, actually, I looking for. Uh, I'm looking on everything what BitCloud do. I like this that it's open source, and if something appears, I'm exploring it and I'm trying it. And uh, when I saw that nodes are possible to run on your own, we decided at first to do the hack node and give it to hackers. And then our backend guy, Lex Zero, said that it's possible to do different front ends with one backend, and we decided to explore how it will work with Root Cloud. Yeah, idea as was said before, idea came from Dworkin, and Nick asked me, am I able to translate the whole front end to the Russian? And I said, I don't know. I'm not a developer. I will look into it. And Alex helped me to set up environment.
Yeah,
And
kudos to
I
Lex.
Yes.
yes. And I learned from the ground. I learned from the scratch how to do all these things. I uh, explored these front-end files. I looked for any text keys that appears in on front end and translated them into Russian. It was cool because every time you do something, uh, you make a commit and you restart the node and you see how it works. If something don't work as you expected, you need to edit it and post it again. So yeah, it's took around a week to do it.
Yeah.
So yeah.
So you're saying that you don't have any prior experience in developing, because I know that you're a amazing UX designer with some knowledge about what devs do, but not actual dev work. And you yourself found it quite easy to set up your own node. Is that correct?
It was not like super easy
Okay.
because I don't know Angular, and
Mm.
sometimes I just copied some things and Googled it and tried to understand how it works, because it's not only a text file. Sometimes a text is broke on different parts, and you need to translate them in parts and then combine them inside the code. So yeah,
So
it was not so easy, but I like what happened, and
okay.
I will say that I okay with it on 99% with all translation, because some things are, as I understand, is how
Hard
it calls
coded. Yeah.
defaults. It's not hard coded.
Oh,
It
sorry.
defaults in Angular, and to edit them, you need to know how to write code. And
Okay.
we hope that we will gain some, we will get some investors,
Mm.
because we need to pay some developers to do this work, and actually we want to do some other features that needs developers attention. Thanks.
Well, thanks for sharing your experience in development. So I understand it's not super easy to make a node, but it's not like anyone or like myself can go in and set up a node, which is, great that you figured it out and did it. Super, like, kudos to you as well.
But
Yes.
it's a bit easier to run your own Facebook.
Oh, it's a little bit easier than to run your own Facebook. You
Yeah.
mean? Okay.
To build your own Facebook.
Oh, to be yeah, I don't think that anyone, well, not many people tried to do that, to make their own Facebook, which is super cool thing that we're experiencing right now. Everyone, not everyone, but some people can actually set up their own social media and run their own rules and dictate their preferences. So not dictate preferences. What I'm trying to say is that you can pick the content you're pushing forward. You can moderate it. That's the word. So
Great. Yes.
so your own node will be moderated by yourself, and I assume it will be Russian priority. So Russian Cyrillic messages, Cyrillic posts will be in the feed. And what other features you guys are on your roadmap for investors, potential investors? Please listen carefully. You will need this when making decision to invest. Go ahead.
Yeah. Okay, I will start with some features and some bugs. We need to fix a couple of bugs because notifications are not working properly for now, and also SoundCloud and Spotify embeds. I don't know why, but they don't render properly. Our backend guy Lex Zero is somewhere in woods on a festival. When it will
He's
come, we
burning.
will look into it.
He's burning in Lithuanian Burning Man.
Yeah. This is things we want to fix. Then I think we will try to find some admins from Russian community that will help us to moderate the Russian global. I
Cool.
think it's super important. Yeah, and then next things we need to do is to set up our own identity server, because for now anything you do on BitCLout needs permission from BitCLout, and this model pop up every time, and you allow you give permission to do any transaction. Yeah, but
Yes,
Kanshi,
or we can ask Diamond Hands to add our website to some authorized
actually, I don't
nodes.
know.
Maybe. Yes, if
I
it's
think
possible.
I think it's something like MIF. I'm not sure that
Maybe.
this whitelist is even
Exists.
exists. Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, yeah.
Well,
Yes. Maybe.
Mr.
Okay, so
Diamond Hands, if you're listening, please contact us.
yeah,
Moving
yeah,
on.
yeah. Also, after that, our goal is to add some unique features. So Russian community will choose RuCloud and not BitCloud to do their things. And these two features, I like them a lot. Is first is a special tab that will filter all Cyrillic posts from BitCloud, and it will be super cool to just open this tab. If you don't know English, you can start with this tab, and you will find Russian-speaking users on BitCloud, and it's super important to build Russian-speaking community. And next thing we want to build is to embed some tools that already made by Russian-speaking developers into cloud. So you will know you will for now they exist like Chrome extensions, and I think it's possible, and we will talk with them soon. It's possible just to include them in code of RuCloud.
Sorry, can you explain this to me one more time? I didn't get it.
Yeah, for example, Nick already said about BitCloud Express bot that shows any transactions, any buys and purchases. And for now in BitCloud, you can see it. You just can see it. You need to use third-party tools.
Yeah, the
But
Explorer.
if we will collaborate with them, and we will, because already actually we want community, we want team. We wanna embed these tools right into the cloud node, and there will be something like in your profile, there will be a tab like Express, and you click on it, and you will see all data you now receiving only in Telegram bots. This is it. So idea is to make RuCloud more helpful and more usable for Russian community as current BitCloud now.
Amazing. Amazing.
Yeah.
We've touched on that with Nick, and please, Nick, go ahead.
Yeah, for example, we've already discussed it with Zahar. He's the founder of a super wallet. So many people likes to use it, and he told that he's interested to integrate it into the node. But there are some questions to solve, like how to, because he don't want to share it for free. He wants to monetize it in some way, and right now he's making the paid subscription to his super wallet, and if we integrate it into our node, how to integrate the option to monetize it, how to maybe split the profits if like we provide the traffic to this tool and so on. So there are many questions how to do it.
Yeah.
A lot of
That's a
collaborations
great
coming
list.
with Russians and non-Russian projects. This is super nice to hear. So you
Nick,
guys
I
are
have an
open.
idea.
Oh,
We need to do a discount for RuCloud users. So if you use RuCloud, you can get this for less, and
Yeah,
it will attract community to use RuCloud.
absolutely.
Yeah. Oh, I see. Nice, nice.
Hey,
I
Paul.
see comment.
Collaborations
Hi,
are
Paul.
coming in.
Feel free to include all the features from BitCloud Plus. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, Paul, let's talk
We'll
about
check
it.
what is possible.
Yes.
Yeah, super cool.
Super nice, guys. So let's get back to the investment you need for the BitCLout to grow and prosper. And in order to get investment, you need to, tell who your team is, tell your future, which you guys done. And how about you guys tell the audience about your personal expertise and a bit of your background, so you know we can all see that you guys are really capable of bringing some project like this to life.
Okay, before we will start it, I wanna say that there is a website called docs.rucloud.ru. You can open it and show. And on this website, we will accumulate all information about what is RuCloud, what is BitCloud, what is our roadmap. And yeah, we are liking for now. We are liking the page about our team. Thank you, Diana, for saying about it. And yeah, I think I will do it in near time.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but for now, our team it's not like fully committed because everyone has their own projects. But we have our own goal to make the independent, really independent node for BitCloud, and mm, make add audience, add Russian speaking audience that don't fluently speaks English, because it's a millions of people, and a lot of people in Russia interested in crypto for now, and rucloud.ru can be their first step into crypto world. This is it. And if let's talk about team. Okay, I'm Alisher. I'm a UX designer mostly, and learning how to do things with code and enjoying it. Most important. On the behind the curtains, we have Lex Zero. On BitCloud, the same Lex, LEXSZRO. It's amazing backend developer that helps us with a lot of projects.
He's
And
also
we
long.
have
Sorry, I can add a little bit. I was talking to him. He's a real OG in crypto. He was mining even before the mining was a thing. So he's very well equipped with the crypto and the infrastructure. So he's also our jam. We use him for so many projects, and he's a co-founder of my streaming service. But please go ahead, continue. I just cannot not express my love to Lex.
yeah. So from my side, it's all Nick. Mike to you.
Yeah, I'm mostly. I was a researcher. Then I'm a community builder. I've made like 4 communities, online communities, and I'm just an entrepreneur because I'm an engineer. My background is engineering, and I know like a syntaxes of a few coding languages, but um, it happens that I don't like to code, that and I
It's
can
so
do
cool.
it.
You know how I don't like, I like, and don't know how.
Yeah, and so I do it very bad, and I design very bad, but I know everything about everything, a bit of
A bit of everything.
them,
A
yeah, a
little
bit
bit
of
of
everything.
everything.
So that leads me to I can talk with people who are good in something.
So you can
That's
direct, basically. You're
I
Okay,
can
we have it
hire,
here.
I can talk. Yeah, yeah, I can tell what
fantastic.
is going on and how to do it.
Yeah,
And
I think we are liking front end developer on Angular. If someone from Russian community or
Yeah,
even not from Russian is interested to help us to develop this node,
Oh,
send us a
absolutely. It's
message. Yeah.
it's number one priority in our recruiting.
amazing. So I heard two
Or I
positions
will
so far.
learn how to do in couple years.
Oh, okay. Let's try to invite people in. I would really enjoy having some more private time with you, rather than you building all the nodes and projects. But that's a talk for another story. So so far I heard two positions. So one is the node admin, and the another one is a front end dev. Anyone else you need? Anything I can do for you, maybe?
You're already doing. You're already doing. Yeah. For now,
Yeah,
we
hodlers.
need to have more exposure.
Hodlers.
We need to be more visible on BitClout. That's why I'm also made some commits in main BitClout repository with Russian documents. And you helping with this too, because you're helping us to be more visible on BitClout. Yeah.
Sweet. I will. I'm cheering for you guys. I'm super excited to. My Russian is shit, but I'd be happy to post in Russian and try to help my try to get my friends on board as well when it is more, you know, secure and
Usable.
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 Thanks.
Yeah.
Yes, one advice for Russian-speaking people who wants to um, help BitClout to
Prosper,
be
successful,
to
succeed. Yeah.
prosper. Yes, yes. Just make your posts 50% of Russian and 50% of English, because most people on BitClout surely speak English,
Yeah.
but if we talk about Russian node, we want it to have more Russian language. And so you can use, for example, Cloud Feed, because it allows you to limit the message not for 280 symbols, but I believe about 700 symbols, so you can put everything you need over there, and you can help people to read in Russian or in English on the choice.
Yeah. Great
Diana,
advice.
I see a lot of comments yeah, on YouTube. Let's read, and maybe there's some questions because
Well,
yeah, I see a lot.
I see Eric is writing a lot, and I'm so busy listening to Nix that I might have missed it.
Yeah, I just set up a feature so you can show comments
Yeah.
right in this
So
room.
Eric is saying technical process is long. They just started, so it's all good. So you guys get support as far as they're dedicated and to improving. So you guys getting support from Eric. Eric is watching every stream I make, and he's super supportive. And thanks so much for doing it. So next comment is from Paul again. So about the symbol count. And also the next one is from Julia. Julia, hey girl, thanks for watching.
Hi, Julia.
Hey girl. So
Yes, Julia, one of our early holders. Thanks
did you guys
for
give
that.
Julia a blue tick on BitCLout Roo?
We'll do. We'll do.
Alisher?
Alisher?
Yes, yes. It's.
Do
I
I
will do.
have a blue tick on BitCLout Roo?
You will do as well. Our team will have, and core community will have
Awesome.
100%.
So
Yeah.
what will be your process for vetting people?
Yeah, we not decided yet. We speak about it, but we wanna make it more easy than BitClout do with verification through Instagram and Twitter. And I like how CVL do. If you know this project on BitClout called
No.
CVL, you can open the web page and show it. CVL, and they created a community-based verification process So what they do, you need, if you want to be verified, you fill the form, you show your you show your social media accounts, and also you link some people who can vouch for you, so who can verify you as real person. You can open their website. There's on top of this thing is a link. Yeah, I think they do great, and I was one of the first people who was verified through their process,
Mm-hmm.
and we didn't even talk about it, but I think uh, we will use their algorithms and we will partner with them to verify people on Cloud.
Let's discuss it.
Yeah, just an
Yeah, I should
idea.
check it out. Yeah, I should check it out. Never
Yeah,
seen it.
Julia, please write about it. Yeah.
So every
Because
little helps.
I tagged Diamond Hands couple times after his message about closing BitClout.com in the long run. Uh, this thing happened in one time because we didn't know about it, and we just translated our node working on Cloud through, and then that message appeared, and I like, wow, we're doing the right thing. Yeah, this is we will do, yeah, and we will keep it updated. We will pull every new update on nodes from main repository, and we'll keep it alive till the time bitcloud.com will close their main node.
Yeah.
So going from RuCloud Ru node to a little bit of a more general BitClout Alisher? To more of a BitClout topic, which is closing the main node, which some people are super excited about. I personally got a little bit anxious and scared. It's just personality thing. So what do you guys think is going to happen next, and where is this going, and what is this move about?
So you are asking how I relate to this bitcloud.com plan to delete itself. The idea just popped in my mind that we should do some I don't know, community voting. What should be done with this bitcloud.com? If BitCloud team does not want, they do want to close it, but there is a domain bitcloud.com, and somebody will have it. So it could be really community-based, community-owned projects, not by BitCloud team, but by the community itself. So English-speaking people can unite and own this next bitcloud.com node. I believe it could be done like that, for example.
Yeah. Hi,
Nice.
Pumpkin Peaches. Pumpkin Peaches writes, other apps will take over like CloudFit. I'm totally agree. And I have a suggestion for Diamond Hands. If Diamond Hands will see it till this moment, so I have an idea. We can make a directory of nodes on bitcloud.com and directory of
Yeah,
any apps that using BitCloud blockchain, and we can calculate some numbers about these nodes. How many people on these nodes? How many people using this app? How many people using this app? And make something like tops. And also it will be super cool if bitcloud.com will have uh, some instructions, maybe video instructions for onboarding new users. So it will be the welcoming gate to BitCloud blockchain.
Absolutely. I love the idea. I think we were talking about something similar yesterday with Raj. when in our stream, I think he suggested to make a on the main node to make like an aggregator of all the nodes you can go to, like the music node, the Russian node, the yada yada yada. And then what you're suggesting is even, the next best thing as well. So super cool that everyone is having ideas. I'm really enjoying it. I love it. I'm loving the vibe.
Yeah, because if everyone will Google BitClout, BitClout.com will appear like next, and and there will be all you need to start BitClouting on all different nodes and apps.
Okay. So I think
True.
we kind of discussed most of the things I wanted to discuss with you guys. Thank you so much for coming. We can now open the mic to Clubhouse and see if anyone is willing to talk. I see Dmitri's here, Tony is here, so maybe you guys would love to join us. Here I'm opening the Clubhouse as another guest, and I'm opening the stage for people to raise their hand.
Dmitry, come to the stage. Let's test this thing.
Let's try to break it. So the first to raise his hand is Tori.
Hi, Tori.
Hey, what's going on? Hey, good morning, guys. I just wanted to
Hey.
personally apologize to you, Diana, for missing my interview today. I'm still super embarrassed about it, but anytime
okay.
you want to respond up, that's awesome. And yeah, just enjoying the show, waking up today.
Nice. Well, my mic is open for you. Of course it is. So whenever you have time, my banner is already made, so we should just...
Yeah, actually, Tori, if you will go to BitClout, to BitVibes YouTube, you will see yourself on the on the
main
channel
cover,
cover, on the channel cover. Yeah, so we're waiting for it.
Oh, I gotta check this out. Thanks, guys. You're cracking me up.
Sweet. So if you have any comments about the Russian node, about nodes popping up in general, please, the mic is yours. If not, then we'll be inviting other people to speak up.
Yeah, I'm good. This is kind of early for me still, so carry on.
Super sweet. Cool. So I'm just waiting for people to raise their hand on Clubhouse who wants to join. And if not, then maybe last comments from you guys.
I have some questions to Dmitry. If Dmitry will come to the stage, I will be happy to ask a couple of questions.
Reverse roles. I like
it. because Dmitry is expert in blockchain, and I really interested what do he think about? He thinks about is it possible to make really independent node on BitClout, and what we need to do. Okay, I tried.
I'm inviting him to speak, trying my best. But
I see
Eric,
Julia with us.
Eric and Julia are on the stage with us.
Yes.
So
Hey.
welcome, guys.
Hi, guys. Hi. I just wanted to ask.
Hi, Julia.
Hello.
Go ahead.
I just wanted to ask the question I have already wrote on YouTube. I think that as that BitCloud.com will look like just the list of different nodes for people to choose, and they will put it according to different interests and countries, and it will be the main site. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yes,
I
it's a
think
great
it's
idea, but it should be done by someone.
Yes,
Because,
but if the founders want to have this idea alive, I think that if they don't want to run a node themselves, I think that the only idea which can be on the BitCloud.com.
yes, or they should like find people, because maybe they don't want to have the domain bitcloud.com itself. Then they can sell it to the community. Some people can like
How
buy
you
it
Donate
can
it.
for
support the
I don't know,
community?
for one cloud or for anything.
Yeah.
Yes, and they just
But I'm still,
find someone who will.
uh, I still hope that Diamond Hands will write his his comments, and we are so used to this process of development, to this news,
Yeah.
and I think that our community is based on all this news and development of the project, and I can't imagine how they can close the main node, and so I will be very upset
I think
if it
even if the
happens.
main node
But
is
why
closed, his messages, his posts will be visible on all nodes, I believe.
Yeah.
if we
Because it's a
don't lock
history,
them?
it's just like it must be like a memorable memorial, just keep it and let it be like a big social token.
Okay, I want to welcome Dmitry. Thanks, Julia. I want to welcome Dmitry to the stage now. He's up. So,
Hi
Alisher.
guys.
Hi,
Hi
Dmitry.
Alisher, Diana. So thanks for inviting me. I just jump up for the couple of minutes, but okay. If you need my opinion about that, I have one idea just now, and I would like to share this idea with you. So imagine about the decentralization and about the level of the decentralization. So, okay, you can create absolutely independent or decentralized blockchain, right? You store all the information in this blockchain, but we have the very big point of the centralization on this technology so far. It's the node itself. So BitCLout.com, BitCLout.ru, BitCLout, whatever. So internet itself, I mean, just web mainly, right? It's domain names, a very centralized technology. You have to own that. You have to support all traffic through that. So to reach the real level of decentralization of the this technology, this social network, you need to, or and a community need to develop the absolutely independent browser, which will work like torrent, which will work on the blockchain itself, and address the independent amount of the namespaces of the blockchain stored across the multiple decentralized nodes. So you have to exclude this single point of the access from the system, and that will only this will help to and allow to reach the real level of the decentralization of this social network, other blockchain. So that's my
Hey, Dmitry.
opinion. What do you think about this?
Sorry. Hey, do you hear me,
Yep.
Dmitry? Yeah, it's Nick. You don't see me, but I'm on this live too. So, what do you think about Unstoppable Domains project that's about another alternative domain system?
There is many other projects. There is the similar project on the Ethereum and Unstoppable Domains. So it's there are many opportunities, there are many options to explore that. I'm just showing the idea, right? So the current stage and current level of the decentralization of the BitClout as the independent, decentralized social network based on the blockchain or fused with the blockchain is not at the same level that they expected. That's my main statement, right? So then which technology to use for really bring the client level part for this level of decentralization. It's opportunity. It's a question. So there's many technologies that can be used for that.
Yep. Yep. Thank you,
This as
Dmitry.
well. Yeah.
Yeah,
Thank you.
I never thought
Well,
about this on this level, and yeah, I like idea of having
yeah.
separate app, separate
We can
browser that
we
works
can add
directly the
some.
blockchain.
Yeah,
And
we
again,
can add
just
the
let me
list of
share it. This separate
alternative
browser,
domains.
the application again should be should be independent. So it's should be open source project. The community should be able to port that different platforms to build the executable code. So just it should be a community-based open source project. Otherwise, it's again the point of control and the point of the centralization. So to really reach the
So
real level of decentralization, you need to outsource. You need to public the way how to access the system and the network. And the majority of people should use that method to access the system. Otherwise, you again will if 99% of the people will use the bitcloud.com for access the network and this social network. So that's if you will have this application, it does make sense, right? You have to, or if the idea itself, it's pure and brilliant, to have the absolutely independent uh, social network that should be also realized on the client level as well.
What if
I
there will
agree.
be an
So
option?
yeah,
Sorry, I have a question. What if there is an option
no
to
problem.
for everyone to build their node, like on Discord, for everyone to build their server? Wouldn't that uh, be enough of a technological push for people to decentralize from the main node?
This is the one of the option, yeah. So it's also possible, but the question, the again level of trust. So who will control this say node? If it will be based on the country level, okay,
Well, maybe.
BitCloud.ru. So who will control this RuCloud and BitCloud in Russia? So who will control the other nodes? Uh, the question that
Yeah,
people are not ready to run their own, let's say, node, but even just you can look at the Bitcoin. Bitcoin still have the Bitcoin core, which you can let's say run on your personal machine, and to have the all blockchain, literally all blockchain of the Bitcoin on your local drive, and you control everything. So you absolutely 100% of the decentralization.
Mm-hmm.
So
I
does it
believe
make sense
that
to have something
BitCloud.
something dissimilar to BitCloud? I don't know. So community should work for that.
I believe I believe that BitCloud already has a desktop app for Mac OS. At least I use it, and it works exactly as a browser for the BitCloud. Maybe it should be, and I believe it's open source. I should check it on GitHub. Maybe it's not, but I believe it is. And if it's open source, then we can use it and we can integrate other nodes to it and so on. But yeah, I agree with your
What is
concept.
Netlify?
Yeah, if it's
Philosophy.
like this, I think these projects are moving to the right direction. So let's see how it go.
Yeah, thank you,
And that,
Dmitry. I made a little research while you're talking and found thing called Blockstack, and website says that it's an open source browser powered by blockchain for creating a new internet. And thank you for directing to it, because I even didn't know about existence of such things like open source browsers based on blockchain. Super cool. I will learn more about it. Yeah. Thank you, Dmitry. Thank you, Nick. Thank you, Diana.
Yeah.
Thank you. I guess you have the streaming right now to the YouTube and internet, right?
Yes. Yes.
Oh my God! So you catch me. I try to not to be on the social network.
Oh,
Yeah.
right. Sorry. Well, your opinion is super valuable, so I hope it will stay on the internet forever for people to enjoy. And it was super nice for you to share
Thank
your
you.
knowledge. It's
It's
always
okay. It's again we can record it as the forecast. So the IFITS project will really goes to the right direction. So we will see a lot of the emerging independent browsers and which expand the ecosystem of that application, and finally you now need to single point of the access of the internet with the domain names, suffix, etc., etc. So we'll see.
Well, fingers
Thank you
crossed.
for opportunity to speak up.
Fingers crossed.
Thank you.
Hope the future is what you said. Can't repeat it myself, but I got it.
I saw a super interesting comment from Pumpkin Peaches that on BitCLout, Tijan said he built a node in 3 minutes on Netify. I really curious what is it and how he made it. Yeah. We should send the link to Pumpkin Peaches so he
Yeah.
will explain what is it. Maybe
Yeah,
you
Pumpkin
can make
Peaches
some later.
writes a lot of interesting comments.
Mr. Pumpkin Peaches, would you please enter
Yeah.
Clubhouse, find this room, and join us on the stage? We would love to hear more. Mr. Pumpkin Peaches. Calling out Mr. Pumpkin Peaches. Last call.
Diana, I think you should invite Pumpkin Peaches to one of the streams and talk
Oh, for
about it.
sure.
Because, based on my experience, all comments posted by Pumpkin Peaches is super valuable and interesting. So I don't know who
Yes,
is
I also
here,
read
but he's cool.
And does he have the same nick on BitCLout like Pumpkin Peaches or what? Or is just anonymous?
There is another, and I already subscribed to him on the last stream, but I don't remember it right now.
Oh well. Calling out Mr. Pumpkin
many
Peaches.
usernames.
There is a hand raised, so let me check. So there's a Kylie J asking to join this stage.
Hello. Yeah, that's me.
Oh yeah, hello. You have many faces.
Tijan had just posted. So I'm not sure how he did it. He created a node quickly. But I mean, even Raj mentioned that it might be like a WordPress type thing where you can create a node really fast. I don't know.
That's super cool.
Yeah, I in my last stream with Raj yesterday, I said that Kanshi is building a tool that is like a WordPress to blogs that will be this tool to nodes. And after the stream, I spoke to him, and that is a further down the line goal. Right now, he's helping people to set up the nodes and giving pointers about how to run communities and how to set up it technically. So that's another person you can talk to when setting up the node. He's super helpful, super responsive, and you can find him on Nacho Average Call pretty much every day during European light hours.
Yeah, it's great that people are building and launching, running their own nodes, but everybody should think what next, what you should do with your own node.
True.
But there are so many options.
True. There are also
we're in some easy state because we just run a node for Russians. Russian language, it's easy. Easy to understand.
It is quite easy to understand, and I think it will be a massive catch for everyone who's not who doesn't know English very well. And for a couple of my friends that I was onboarding here in Riga who are Russian speakers, they found it challenging to participate in the activity because their English is either not that great or their level of confidence in using English for their social interactions is not there. So having a community in Russian with the entire Russian support from the OGs of BitCLout, I think it's going to be super useful and super helpful.
Absolutely.
So thank you guys.
Agree. Welcome.
Thank you guys for joining. Thanks for telling about your experience with setting up the node, with starting a node, launching a node, with your challenges, with your ideas, with your backgrounds. Thanks everyone who joined via Clubhouse. I really appreciate your participation. I feel very special sitting here and talking to all of you guys. So thank you very much. and we will be wrapping up. If anyone else wants to say a few words, please press your mic or just start talking, and then we will be wrapping up. Oh, Pumpkin Peach is saying
Thank
thank
you
you.
for Russian note. Thank you, guys.
Actually,
You're welcome.
I have a question. Do you plan this now to be only for Russian in Russia, or for all the community? For example, New York, in
For all
America, in Europe,
Russian
everywhere.
Homo sapienses.
Yes. Maybe
What
for
about other
Russian-speaking
team?
dolphins also.
I see. Okay,
I
that's
know
good.
some.
Thank.
Yeah, maybe someday we will have something like, Moscow node or whatever node. but I don't think we have so many people right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel that possibility that every influencer, everyone who has a voice, who has a bit of following, will be able to set up their node, and I think it will move as it was with blogs. Really, I think it's a.
Yeah, we will see.
We will see definitely, but it is what I feel right now, looking at what's happening. Also, one of my subscribers sent me a message about a repository of like for the nodes. So I'm gonna open it up now, just because it's in the with it in the topic. So it was here. So BitCLout node directory node dot directory. I feel like they are trying to make a list of all nodes, so an aggregator, and you can maybe.
As we can
And
see, they don't have a couple of our
I'm
nodes.
sorry, guys. I'm sorry, guys. Just want to ask. I have just found Russian BitCLout node. Reposting my posts. Do you know what is it?
No.
Nope,
It
never
is.
heard of her.
It is reposting my posts and Eric posts,
Okay.
I
and it is
believe
called
it's
Russian
Eric's
BitCLout
account.
node. Is it Eric or what?
I believe it's
Is it
Eric's
yours?
account.
Oh, but it has a site. Elric, is it your site or what?
My
I never
no.
saw it. No.
The coin is $49.
No, mine is
$42.
RussianBitCloud.com, and that leads directly to my
Ah,
page
no,
of
no, no.
BitCloud.
It is yours. It is yours. Now I see it. It's yours. I see.
Okay, guys. Not to take any more of
I
anyone's
didn't know
time.
you had a note too, because it is written that you have a note, Elric. Is it a note?
So I think we will have so many more of these conversations. Is this your node? What are you doing on your node? And things like that. So, Julia, I think you will be the next one to come with the node. So
No, no, no.
Yes.
I don't want really.
no, I'm pretty sure you will be with your following. You will be the
Maybe just for musicians, something like this.
maybe. Anyway, so thanks everyone for joining. It was a
Diana,
blast. I
sorry,
had so
sorry,
much
sorry.
fun.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Before you will close the stream and close the room, I want to make a shout out to Alexander Olegovich Skrябin and all super cool comments here, here out on the YouTube. Yeah, thank you, made my day. He said that he's Russian speaking dolphin. Super cool.
Yeah, you see. So I would shout out a bit about to all of our Russian-speaking listeners. So we will have an article today or tomorrow on probitcloud.com about our Russian node, about plans. Maybe it would have something that we haven't spoken on Bitvibes. maybe not. We will see. So, до встречи, до свидания.
До свидания. Thank you, everybody.
Forgot about the mic. Thanks, everyone.
Thank you,
And
Diana.
спасибо всем большое за то, что присоединились и за то, что слушали нас и общались с нами. Это было супер круто. Я думаю, что будет больше русских стримов на Cloud.ru. Вот, так что будем делать форк и будем вести и русские, и английские стримы. So for English people, I'll repeat that. So thank you so much for joining. It was super cool, and maybe we should split. We should make Russian and English content, both for Russian and English nodes. So that would be super nice. And Alisher made this beautiful next slide. So guys, please enjoy and do what it says, because it will bring you luck for next 7 years, or 7 to 10 years. So I would like to say bye to everyone and just close the stream. Thanks, everyone.
Cheers.
Bye.